Okay, good morning, first piece students. Yesterday, how did we learn or we discuss the topic trigonometric equations. Okay, trigonometric equation. What is the formula? Sin x is equal to 0, x is equal to n pi, cos x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Sin x is equal to k, or sin x is equal to sin y, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into y. Okay, look at this yesterday class notes. Next, cos x is equal to cos y, or cos x is equal to k, x is equal to 2n pi plus r minus y, n belongs to z. Tan x is equal to tan y, that implies x is equal to n pi plus y, n belongs to z. Tan x is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to n pi. Okay, the formula when apply, first the given problem is convert into or any single function, sine function, or into two functions multiply. Two functions in between plus means we apply the formula, any compound angle formula or any fundamental formula, apply the and solve the problem and apply the formula. Okay, this one. So maximum yesterday onwards the trigonometry functions chapter 100% completed. So now today let us discuss the important miscellaneous problems, 5 marks problems. Okay, 5 marks problems. 5 marks problems. So already in the previous exercises only 2 functions or 3 functions are there. Here 4 functions are there. Okay, in 4 functions divide into 2 functions. First 2 functions, next 2 functions. Okay, first 2 functions. So why did you separate? Why we have to separate? Means sin x plus sin y formula, 2 in between, 2 functions in between, plus or minus is formula is there. So otherwise there is no formula. So sin x plus sin y formula, cos x plus cos y formula, sin x minus sin y formula. So first is one sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x. Already brackets also given. So these two already given. So no problem. The brackets are not given means we have to choose the last and first. Okay, adding the 2 angles equal to the even number. Odd number means what? Sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 means 9 by 2 x. So this type of fraction value is not correct. Okay. So already brackets is given. What is the compound angle formula, last and final? Recall them. What is the formulas? First we have to write formulas. What is the formula? Sin x plus sin y, sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Next, second one, cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Okay. So first one, this is the sin x plus sin y. What is the formula sin x plus sin y? 2 sin 7x plus 5x by 2 into cos 7x minus 5x by 2. This is the first one. Next, second one, these also same formula. Sin x plus sin y. 2 sin 9x plus 3x by 2 into cos 9x minus 3x by 2. by numerator, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So numerator completed. Next denominator, this is cos x plus cos y, cos x plus cos y. Formula 2 cos x plus y, x plus y by 2 into again cos 7x minus 5x by 2 plus, these are also same formula, 2 cos 9x plus 3x by 2 into cos 9x minus 3x by 2, only formulas, only formulas. 4, first one, second, third, 4, these 4 are direct formulas. Okay, so simplify. LHS 2 7x plus 5x, 7 plus 5 equal to 12, 12 by 2 is equal to 6, 2 sin 6x, 7 minus 5 2, 2 by 2 1 cos x plus 2, 9 plus 3 12, 12 by 2 6, so sin 6x, 9x minus 3x, 9 minus 3 6, 6 by 2 3 into cos 3x by 7 plus 5 12, 12 by 2 is equal to 6 into 7 minus 5 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 3 12, 12 means 12 by 2 is equal to 6x, 9x minus 3, 9 minus 3 6, 6 by 2 is equal to 3 into cos 3x. Now simplify. Which one is common in the numerator? Numerator common 2 sin 6x. Here also sin 6x. 2 also 2 sin 6x common, remaining cos x, here cos 3x, this one. Next denominator also common with cos 6x, oh, cos 6x, 2 cos 6x common, so cos x plus cos 3x. Don't cancel like this, sin 6x cos 3x cancel, cos x cancel, 2 cancel, 2 cancel, this is not correct. Okay, this one 2 cancel, into a into b means this is same, cancel, that is equal to sin 6x by cos 6x. Sin by cos is equal to tan, sin 6x by cos 6x, tan 6x. This is the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Only formula, simple one, very important one, 5 marks question. Okay, look at this. Common, here common is main important. This is the first term and second term. Numerator have 2 terms, denominator also 2 terms. In first and second term, what is the common thing? 2 is common and sin 6x is common. So common. Common means remove them. Common means remove. Because 2 sin 6x common means here 2 sin 6 remove, then the remaining cos x. 2 sin 6 removed. Next one is cos 3x. This is one. Okay, very important one. Okay, clear? prove that sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x, cos 5x cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x. This is the problem. Only two functions means okay, direct apply the any formula out of 4 any formula. So here 4 terms. The first two terms, last two terms are, this is the selection types. How many types? First two, last two, first two, last two, second, third, that is second, third, this one, two types. Here, look at this, observe the carefully. So, 1 plus 7 equal to what? 8. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So, if both are equal, this type of pairs is correct. Okay, this type of pairs are correct. So, solution, first pair, what is the first pair? LHS, first sin x plus sin 7x. 1 plus 7, 8, 3 plus 5. This type of selection is very easy to calculate the problem, very easy to prove the problem. So, otherwise, this is correct, but this is lengthy procedure. Okay. Sin 7x, this is the one bracket, take one bracket. Sin 3x plus sin 5x, sin 3x plus sin 5x, another one. So, apply the formula. What is the formula? Sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y formula 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Next one, sin x plus sin y. 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So, that is equal to 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 2, 4, 2 sin 4x cos x minus 7 minus 6, minus 6 by 2, minus 3, cos of minus cos 3x plus 2 sin 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4x into 3 minus 5 minus 2, minus 2 by 2 minus 1, cos of minus 1 cos into cos. Okay, next. In first term, this is the first term, this is second term. In the first and second term, what is the common one? 2 is common, sin 4x is common. 2 is common, sin 4x is common. Next, remaining one, sin 3x plus cos x. So, that is equal to 2 sin 4x. What is the formula? Cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y formula 2 cos x plus y by 2. 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Next, 2 sin 4x into 2, 3x plus x, 4x by 2. 4x by 2 means 2x. 3x minus x, 2x. 2x by 2 equal to x. So, that is equal to 2 into 2, 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. This is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Cos 4x sin 4x. This is the next problem. Okay. Next, third one. Prove that sin x, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 sin cos 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. This is fractions. Okay. So first to 3x x nodri solution LHS. So sin 3x minus sin x one bracket plus sin 2x another bracket. So sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2. 2 cos x plus y by 2. 2 cos x plus y by 2 means 3x by 2. 2 cos 3x by 2 sin x. So sin 2x with over 2 cos x plus y by 2. 2x plus x by 2 into sin 2x minus x by 2. 2x minus x by 2 and x sin x by 2. Okay, first cos, next sin. Okay, sine 1. First we have to try 3x minus x, this is 2x. So that is equal to 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 and sin x minus sin y formula. What is the sin x minus sin y formula? Sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. This is the formula of sin x minus sin y. So 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. Okay. Okay. Sin 3x minus y by 2. Two cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So plus sin 2x. So that is equal to 2 cos 3x plus x, 4x by 2 means cos 2x, 3x minus x, 3x minus x means 2x by 2, 2x by 2 means sin x plus sin 2x. So 2 cos 2x into sin x plus sin 2x formula 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, sin 2x formula. What is sin 2x formula? Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. So which one common? 2 sin x common. Okay, 2 sin x common, remaining cos 2x plus cos x. So that is equal to 2 sin x into cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos 2x plus x by 2 into cos 2x minus x by 2. So that is equal to 2 sin x into 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4 sin x into 2x plus x 3x by 2 2x minus x x by 2 equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, once again, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. This one. First sin 3x sin x taken one pair plus 2x. Sin x minus sin y formula is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2, as it is sin 2x as it is. 3x plus x means 4, 4x by 2 means 2x. Sin x 3x minus x by 2 means 2x by 2 means 2. Okay, next sin 2x. So there is no common. Cos 2x, sin x, sin 2x, there is no common. There is no common means apply the formula sin 2x formula. What is the sin 2x formula? 2 sin x into cos x. So common with the 2 sin x, 2 common, sin x common. So remaining cos x plus cos x. So cos x plus cos y formula 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So 2 sin x into 2 cos x plus y by 2 x minus y by 2. Apply. Answer. Okay. Cos x cos me whole square plus sin x. Next, cos x minus cos y whole square, cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square 4 sin square x minus y by 2. 4 sin square x minus y by 2, 4 sin square. Okay. Solution LHS. LHS is equal to what? Cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. So a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So cos square x a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 cos x cos y. Again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 sin x into sin y. So cos square x plus sin square x, cos square by sin square on bracket. So cos square x plus sin square x on bracket. Next cos square y plus sin square y in the bracket. This is minus common, minus 2 common. Minus 2 common means remaining cos x cos y, minus 2 common, remaining one is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, this one. So multiply minus 2 into cos x cos y, minus into plus minus 2 sin x sin y. So this is 1 because what is the formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 2 into, this is the formula, compound angle formula, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to what? Cos x plus cos y. So cos of x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to cos of x minus y. So 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 2 minus 2 into cos of x minus y. So 2 common, 1 minus cos x minus y. Formula, in our formula, cos square, cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Listen carefully, this is the formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x minus 1 formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x minus 1 formula. Minus this one. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 1 minus cos 2x is equal to what? 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x. E minus 2 sin square goes to left, E cos 2 goes to right. So 1 minus cos 2x is equal to formula 2 sin square x. So here 2x means here x. This is half angle. Here 2x of x. That's why 1 minus cos x is equal to what? 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x, because half angle 2x of x, x of x by 2. So x minus y of x minus y by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. Cancellation. 3 by 2, 3 by 2a. Okay. So that is equal to 2 into 2 sin square x minus y by 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 sin square x minus y by 2. This is the RHS. At the same problem, homework problem, fifth one homework, same problem. What is that? Cos x plus cos y whole square. Cos x plus cos y whole square. Sin x minus sin y whole square. What is the problem? Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. This same model. Okay, once again repeat. A minus b whole square formula. What is the a minus whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Again a square plus b square minus 2ab. So cos square x sin square x taken one side, and cos square y plus y square y taken on one side, and remaining minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 common. This common. This is the direct formula. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y formula, direct formula. This is cos square plus sin square equal to 1. This is direct formula. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 cos x minus y by 2. 2 common. 1 minus x, the formula. Cos 2x formula already formula is there. 1 minus cos 2 sin square x. Here 2x means the half x. X means half x by 2. So x minus y half x minus y by 2. And same the problem homework. Okay, last problem. 6th or 7th. Prove that, very very important. Cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Is equal to 3 by 2. So solution LHS, that is equal to cos square x. Cos square x is nothing but cos x whole square. Okay, so this is cos of x plus pi by 3 whole square, cos square x, plus cos of x minus pi by 3, this is also whole square. Cos square x is equal to cos x whole square, that is the meaning. So that is equal to cos square x plus, what is the formula? Cos x plus phi formula. Cos x plus phi formula. Cos x cos y minus cos x plus phi formula. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here x is equal to x, y is equal to pi by 3 whole square plus cos x minus phi formula. Cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y minus means plus sin x sin y sin x sin y whole square. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula. a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. a minus whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. ಈ minus 2ab plus 2ab cancel, 2 into a square plus b square. This is the formula. Okay, here this one, this is a, this is b. Here also this is a, this is b. Okay, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. So formula 2 into a square plus b square. So first cos square x same plus 2 into a square. What is a? Cos x into cos pi by 3 whole square plus b. b means sin x into sin pi by 3 whole square. Direct formula. Okay, so that is equal to cos square x plus 2 into 2a square plus b square. Cos x into cos 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 is equal to 60. Okay, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 plus sin x into sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Whole square. So that is equal to cos square x plus 2 into cos square x into 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus sin x whole square means sin square x root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4. So cos square x plus 2 into 1 by 4 1 by 2 cos square x plus 2 into is multiply. Okay, 2 into 2 ones 2 2s 3 by 2 into sin square x. So here cos square x common 1 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into sin square x. That is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into cos square x plus 3 by 2 into sin square x. 3 by 2 common. 3 by 2 common means sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to what? 1. 3 by 2 into 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. This problem once again you will be practice must and should 1 or 2 times. We have to practice, or you will be practice 2-3 times. Any doubt means tomorrow I will explain once again this problem, only this problem. Okay. Thank you. Today trigonometry chapter completed. Tomorrow we start the next chapter. Okay. Thank you.